Yeah, give it a second. Okay, so this trade only took one. This is on Monday. I had things to do, so I wasn't trading a whole lot. I just took one trade here, one contract because I was at half of my drawdown, so I didn't want to risk too much. I was just gonna build it back up with one contract and then go back to two. Um, but yeah, honestly, Monday was a really good trading day. I had things going on. I couldn't really trade it, but so here made it. This is the first 2 3 minutes we pushed down. Right, we were already in an obvious sell-off, push down. I was expecting a pullback. We put in a lot of volume here on the side. As you can see where my limit order is trying to be at the edge of that volume. I'm also watching the 10-second chart, which I think you can see pulled up on top of your screen there. So there's a reason why I didn't. I had it there and then I moved it back is because, I know as much as I have an idea, I still need to watch volume, see if price is still coming in pretty hot. And it was, so I was just kind of waiting for a little bit of a rejection, which we get right there at the 50s, which is something I also saw in the 10 seconds, which is kind of a new thing for me. I'm just kind of watching it, see how, 10-second chart, see if that can help me catch early moves in this volatile market. So I end up getting filled there. And then, well, we'll just watch it play out here because we keep sitting there. And this is where I'm nervous. I'm like, it either could just rip back up or reject, but I'm just looking for a quick rejection. It seems like an area that it would reject. The only thing I couldn't decide, as you can see, I'm like indecisively moving my mouse around, is like whether I should move my stop down just a little bit above 60. Because again, I'm watching a 10 seconds chart and I'm seeing how we're like, bouncing back and forth there, showing a little bit of resistance. But I was like, no, I'll wait. And then we end up just getting that sell down. And I'm just like, whatever, fuck it, I'm gonna put it there. Yeah, 100 ticks there, $500. Ended up going for 60 ticks more. And then after that, that's another reason I could have made a couple more trades, but I didn't because I was feeling anxious, and that kind of played in with some stuff I had to do the day that I was anxious about, but also just I know it's bad for me to trade when my confidence kind of goes away, so that's why I stopped there. But yeah, it was a quick, easy trade, like 2 minutes after the open. So that was it. That's really all I have. It's just easy trade. Just kind of expected a pullback, little rejection. I just didn't expect to be so damn close to being correct there at that wick. Because obviously, as you can see, I was like close to doing the 40s, and I would have been pretty close to getting stopped out there, but I didn't. I don't know. That's the tricky thing about scalping in this volatile market, is figuring out exactly where the right entry was. But seeing that good bit of resistance there, just back and forth, I kind of figured we'd take a little rejection, and we did. It paid off. So that's all I gotta say.